Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about how to change your life after narcissistic abuse. And this is very exciting. The reason for it is today I want to have that closure, perhaps the closure you've been looking for ages. You see, guys, today I want to let go of that narcissist, that narcissistic guy or that narcissistic woman energetically. And this is your key to freedom. You know why? Because as long as you're holding on to that narcissist energetically, you won't find yourself going forward in life. You're still attached to them and to their abuse. So you want to learn to let go of the narcissist energetically, and that means stop gaslighting yourself, stop distorting your own reality. And the root of these two is self-doubt. On a subconscious level, you've learned and believed to doubt yourself. And this is the killer. This is your number one enemy. The narcissist is gone. You haven't gone anywhere else. Your life isn't changing. Your reality isn't revealing to you that the narcissist is gone. They're gone. You know why? Because as I said, you're still dealing with self-doubt. Because gaslighting, reality distortion are powerful weapons that narcissists use to stop you from getting out of their narcissistic cycle. Now they're gone, but what is going on is that you're still stuck in that cycle. Why? Because you haven't let go of that self-doubt. That's your number one enemy. Want to get rid of it. How? By creating awareness. Every time you're trying to shoot yourself in the foot, you want to remind yourself, hold on, hang on. Am I doubting myself again? And is the manifestation of it gaslighting, reality distortion, minimizing myself, treating myself quite poorly? What am I doing to myself? Self-doubt. As I said, the narcissist is gone, but you're not going anywhere. And then you say, why my life is not changing? Because you're operating through self-doubt. Whatever you think, sense, feel, will manifest itself outside of you. So if self-doubt is sitting somewhere in your vibration, in your energy field, then it must show up outside of you. It may result in attracting more of those narcissists, or it may just hinder the realization of who you truly are, or it may just act as an obstacle, not allowing you to embrace success, to embrace your life purpose, to step forward on your path. So you see, if you're struggling, if you're challenged, if you don't know why your life is not changing, I want to encourage you to look into self-doubt, to check in with yourself. Am I doubting myself? Am I minimizing my dreams? Am I minimizing myself? What am I doing to myself? Am I gaslighting myself because it is now habitual? Am I distorting my reality because I'm not owning who I truly am? I haven't fully stepped into my agency. So you see, guys, you really want to pay attention what is going on in your life. You want to pay attention to what is unfolding around you, outside of you, your reality, because your reality can reveal so much about your thoughts, your emotions, your nervous system, your past experiences, what you haven't let go of, what you have healed. So pay attention, cultivate awareness, and realize who you truly are. Hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to ground yourself, to honor yourself, to realize who you truly are, and honor that realization. Once again, if you're looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure to reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys. Don't be emotionally stuck. Take a deep breath in and out, realizing who you are. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.